First, rotate the stand clockwise into the bottom of the base. Then, install the southern and northern hemisphere. Rotate both hemispheres together till you hear a click. Insert the metal bracket into the North Pole cover. Finished. Install the T-Rex. First, put the legs on the left and right ribcage. Then, attach the tail and put both ribcages together. Put the neck connection into the star socket gap and press tightly. Fix the plastic bracket into the ribcage. Place the T-Rex inside the globe as a decoration. Finished. Install the sailboat. First, put the sailboat into the platform. Then, insert the platform into the South Pole cover. Finished. Install the lamp. First, untie the lamp cable. Then, place the wire into the lamp hole and pass through the southern hemisphere. Switch the lamp button and control brightness.